Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is James, the owner and operator of the Fresh Food Factory food truck, Pensacola, Florida. I want to take time and thank everybody that has taken the time to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe, hit that blue notification bell, whether it's right there, one of those, to keep up with some of the new videos that we got coming out. I'm also going to be releasing some videos that I've done over the last year and a half, almost 2 years, since my life as a food truck owner and operator. The ups, the downs, the ins, the outs, everything behind the scenes and all of that. So I want to thank everybody that subscribed to me also on Facebook, Instagram, on our other platforms. So also when we put up our videos, you could actually engage with us. If you have any questions, you have comments or anything like that, we try to respond to them as quick as we can, when we can. If you guys don't like something I do in the video, let me know that too. You know, it's all good and it's all in fun. So I appreciate everybody for tuning into my YouTube channel. Make sure that you guys are always watching our videos. Like and give us a thumbs up. That really helps our video, helps our growth as well on here. So I want to take time, once again, if it wasn't for y'all, my channel wouldn't be anything. So thank you very much, and y'all have a great day. Keep on trucking. Hey y'all, this is James here with the Fresh Food Factory. June 15th, we are hitting the road, me and my co-pilot, co-worker, cameraman, and friend, Eric Norton. We're hitting the road tonight. We're leaving Pensacola. Our first stop is going to be Tallahassee. This is our 2.5-week venture to work the food truck from Pensacola all the way to Key West. We're going to be stopping in Tallahassee, Jacksonville, Orlando, Daytona, Miami, South Beach, West Palm, Fort Lauderdale, Sarasota, a couple other areas, Keys, Key West. So tonight starts our journey. We're very excited to do this. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go, y'all. I want to take time to thank everybody for all the support. Thank you for everything that you've done to help create this documentary. I'm creating this documentary because I was inspired by a movie named Chef. So, with that being said, we're gonna get on the road. Our first stop is Tallahassee, and there it is. We're ready to roll. There's Eric. It's just on the GoPro. Yeah, oh. We're ready. We're leaving Pace, Florida. We're on the road. Well, we made it about halfway to Tallahassee, and the rack that we have welded on the front, it eventually is starting to bounce. So I guess we need to put some different bracing on it. So what Eric and I are doing, we're going to be taking the generators off, moving them to the back, running the extension cord under the truck so we still have power, and then we're going to put the coolers on this and move the generators to the back. So this ain't a pitfall. This is only, what do you call it? What would you call it? Something like this right now. Work. I don't know what you would call it.
I guess it's a good thing I stopped now and seen it, because it's too busy. It's got a good bend on it. That it wasn't like that before. So won't have to hook the inverter back up. Guess I could just run the extension cord under the truck and zip tie it to the frame to have the generator running. Yeah, because that bent real pretty good. See how we figure out we need bracing on it after it's already. Oh, we need braces on it. Hold on, let's find a welding shop at 2 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, no kidding.
All right. Cord. Yep. Inverter. That one's got a strap on it.
Ooh, that's heavy.
What's that?
I said, ooh, that's heavy.
Yeah, because of the angle that it's on. What? We're gonna have to use that to strap this, bro.
That's what
Oh, Temple heard that. Yeah. Here we go. I would put.
over it.
Yeah. We'll put this one on the bottom. If it'll reach. No.
took some of the lean out.
It did? By a couple of inches, huh?
Yeah.
Can you put that on the doghouse, please? And hey, can you grab that bag of zip ties? There should be a bag of zip tie. Yeah. So I'm gonna get under the truck, and I'm gonna zip tie my extension cord, because how I got it in there, I had it set up for the front. So I had the extension cord go through the engine, through the hood, and I have it hooked up to my main power source. So it was close. So now I got to take this extension cord and go underneath the truck all the way back here to the generators. So won't need the inverter yet. So let's see, where's the exhaust? And the plug is on this one. Yeah, let's just get it up there and we'll see which way. This is the one where the wheels don't lock, I think. Okay, come on. Yeah, this one locks, that one don't. So we'll just put it this way. This one, we'll put my side facing outward. Really. And now I gotta have a way to tie this down. So it doesn't actually, we'll
Might
need
fit
to.
behind it.
We put the cooler behind it. Or to the bottom. Now we just gotta make sure that the cord can get in there. There we go. Word. You put that inverter. Actually, here. We can put it in that box. We just got to make sure it's strapped. Alright. Let me put this up. Yeah, let me put this up. So this is only a small delay. This ain't even really a delay. So we got it. We got it. First leg of the trip. Me and Eric have been jamming out to Motley Crue, Ozzy. We been doing probably about 70 miles an hour this whole trip. Oops.
Now it's mine.
You can see it now, huh?